Hey guys, today it's Alexis and I'm going to show you how to make these super cute boyfriend type jeans. I don't know, they're not really boyfriend jeans, but they're like distressed with like lace behind the distress. And anyways, so let's get into the video. For this project, you'll need scissors, pliers or tweezers, chalk, lace, we used a lace curtain, and your jeans. So the first thing you're going to do is cut horizontal strips of the top layer of your jeans where you want the distress to be in the end. And I used a different pair of distressed jeans that we bought from the store to estimate the placement of it. So what you're going to do next is using your pliers or your tweezers, start to pull out the vertical threads of the jeans so that the lighter color of thread is exposed that goes horizontally. In my jeans it was the darker thread that went up and down and the whitish thread went across, so that's what I ended up seeing in the end was the lighter color. This might be hard at first, but just keep trying. I would recommend like turning on music or something to try to pass the time. So at this point I had already distressed my original horizontal cuts, and so what I decided to do, since mine was like perfectly rectangular, is cut a little farther and like mess up that edge a little bit just so that it looked more naturally distressed instead of like what I had just like made. So I also pulled out some threads just so that you could see more of the white threads, and like I pulled out some dark ones too just to try to make it look a little better. So this is what my jeans looked like after I had distressed all of the holes. So this step is optional, but what I decided to do is cut out rectangles that fit the distressed on the inside of the jeans and fit them so that you wouldn't be able to see through the jeans when we were done, so like it wouldn't show any skin. This way you can wear them like to school and stuff. And also I cut 3 layers of lace just to make sure that you couldn't see through it at all. And then I went and sewed it. Also, when you sew the lace to the inside of the jeans, make sure to sew pretty good like around, because just in case your hole like gets bigger, you want to make sure that it'll still cover it. Now you're just going to sew your lace on, and what I ended up doing was just sewing horizontal strips to make sure that my lace had room to stretch and that I wouldn't end up like having it slip out or anything. Next, I rolled up my jeans to the length that I wanted in the end, and then I rolled it down twice to make sure that I would have enough room to sew my lace on. And so I got chalk and marked the part where I had rolled it down twice. After I marked it with chalk, I just cut it straight across so that it would be closer to the length that I wanted it to be and not have so much extra fabric at the bottom. Next, I cut a strip of lace that was about 4 inches wide, and then I sewed it to the very bottom cuff of the jean that I just cut off and to the top of the lace as well. And make sure your jeans are inside out when you do this, or you won't be able to see the lace unless you want an unfinished edge. And you're done. This is what our finished jeans look like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please leave in the comments any ideas you have for videos for us, because I'm not feeling very creative right now. Anyways, so we'll see you next time.
Today's Alexis, and I'm going to show you my hair just like flew into my mouth.
Let's find the cat. Here, I'll show the cat. You ready? Where is she? Oh! Holy cow, kitty! Hey, Weasel! Anyways. Okay, well. Hi, kitties! Hi, Zaboomafoo. Hi, kitty. Hi. Hi, Snore. Oh, you do not like me today. Hi, Chester. Getcha. Where'd Zaboomafoo go? Back. Oh, he's right there. I totally went over him. Hi, kitty.